Hello, this video is about virtual manipulatives through the website Didax. I wanted to find other math manipulatives, like virtual manipulatives, that weren't attached to a website that was full of games. So here's the website, and these are all the manipulatives that they have. There's no other games right here. The website does have other components to it over here, but this is the only part that would be beneficial to students right here. I know in the past I haven't had access to all of these manipulatives that I wish I could have had. So this makes it so where everyone has access to the same supplies and tools needed. It provides a variety of manipulatives in such an easy way and easy access. This would make like playing games easier because they have a spinner option right here and even a dice option right there, and it does open up a new tab right here. This video is more for teachers to know that there are other ways of getting manipulatives. You don't have them physically in your classroom, and also for students to show them how to use them. The two standards that this website go with for the ISTE standards are 3.2a, engage education stakeholders in developing and adopting a shared vision for using technology to improve student success. This website ensures that everyone has access to the learning supplies through the use of technology so that every student can succeed. And the next one is 3.3d, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning needs, cultural and social emotional needs of individual students. By sharing this with teachers, it would be helping them meet the diverse needs of all students because, again, they all have access to this and they can pick the different tools that they need to learn, and it's such an easy way to incorporate technology as well. So these are the manipulators right here. Click on Unifix cubes. They are super easy to use. You just drag and drop. And then to get rid of them, you can take it back that way. You can erase. Oh, you can't erase this one. Sorry. You can write. If I want to go back to a new one, here's color tiles. I can start building here. I also really like, there's place value discs to work on those place value skills. And I like how they incorporate the decimals too. I like how this is a virtual manipulative because when I use these in class, they tend to go everywhere and they're always on the floor or they're always lost. And then I think my favorite, there's also GeoBoard and some base 10 blocks. My favorite though is these fraction tiles. We use these a lot in 4th grade, so they can easily compare fractions. I do like how they go up to 112. Well, there's 110. Here's 112 and 116. I haven't seen normal. I haven't seen normal fraction tiles go have that type of fraction on them. So that would be a good way for students to compare them. And then they can write on them. I could say 1 is greater than 1/2. They could show their work on that way. So I really love this feature of the Didax virtual manipulatives for math. And that is my video. Thank you.